أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So today's letters are Ain and Ghain. So for these two, it's easy to remember the Ghain. So you know how you can remember Ghain. So I tell my students just start gargling. So this is like Ghain, Ghain. Go ahead, Caesar. Can you say Ghain for me?
Line,
Yeah, so it's the origin is in the throat, just like from where you gargle. That's the origin of this word, Ghain. Ashley, can you do this one? Ghain.
Kind.
Yes, excellent. Very good. Okay. So once we look at this letter Ghain and we're like, okay, we know the name of Ghain. Guess what? Its twin is easy. And that's one thing we know. If you know the name of one of the twins, it's easy to know the name of the other twin. So if this one is Ghain, this one is also in the throat, and this one is Ain. So the same spelling, same this A-I-N, A-I-N, but this one is Ain, and this one is Ain. So if you ever forget which one was which, just remember more letters and more scripture. It's more writing here, and less text, less scripture. Okay, so that's how one way. Ain. Ain. Ashley, can you say this one? Ain.
Ein.
Excellent. Caesar, can you say this one? So for the Ain, kind of you're smiling. That's one best way to take out the sound. You have like a big smile on your face. Okay, so that's also one way. Big smile. So and then you say, go ahead, Caesar, say this for me. Ain.
I,
Good job. More big smile. Because if your mouth is like more vertically opening, you will say Ain. But if it is horizontally opening and you have like a big smile on your face, you're like Ain. Transition the sound into the throat. Ain. How is it, Caesar?
I,
Yes. Yes, that is good. Okay. So the sound is not heavy. The sound is in the throat. Yes, it's a throat sound. Ain. So this thing is good that for the ain, you're smiling. Guess what? For the ghain, you're not smiling. You are more opening your mouth vertically. Ghain is heavy letter. So this is heavy. This is not heavy, but both of them are from the throat. And since they look very similar, they sound similar also, they're rhyming. Okay, let's pick up one more letter today, and that is letter, I call it the farm letter, Fa. Okay, so farm letter Fa. If you forget, just tell yourself where there's one of the letters, it's called like, it starts from the word farm, it's only Fa. Fa. Okay, so the name of this letter is Fa. In Arabic, the sounds are more exaggerated, are more fa. In English, I won't say letter F, but in Arabic, I will say letter fa, more exaggerated. Okay, so Ain, Ghain, and Fa. Let's go and find these letters in the Quranic scripture. Okay, so this is our Quranic scripture. So as we know, Quranic scripture looks, initially it looks a lot, but then very soon you can tell, oh, okay, I know these letters. Okay, now what can the Ain do? The Ain can do a trick. The Ain can hide. How does the Ain hide? The Ain, this is an Ain. And when it's in the hiding position, it can look like this. It can kind of put its head down. It kind of puts its head down. Okay, so let me do it one more time. How does it do? It looks like a triangular head, and the head is colored. Okay, so it looks like a triangular head. The head is colored. So I'm going to say, Ain, put your head down. Ain, put your head up. Head down, head up, head down. Okay, so the Ain can, these are the two ways the Ain can hide. So the Ain can hide as a full Ain, or the Ain can put its head down and hide. That's also two ways a Ain can hide. Okay, let's see the Ain. So now the Ain can hide as a full Ain. The ayn can hide as just as the head of the ayn. And then we know one more way the ayn can hide. It puts its head down like this. It looks like a triangular head. Okay, like this triangular head. The head is colored. Okay, so that's also one way the ayn can hide. If the ayn can do this, the ghain can definitely do it also. Either hide just from a head or the full body, or ayn, put your head down. It can also do that same thing. Okay, it can do that same thing. Okay, like that. Ayn, put your head down. The head should be colored. And for the line, the dot needs to be there. Okay, let's go, Caesar. Let's go find. Okay, now bouncy ball. Now we need to find the let's start with Ain. Okay, so we are finding Ain. I'm gonna put the arrow here so that we know that we are finding letter Ain. Okay, let's go. Let's go and check in this line. Okay, so Caesar, whenever you see an Ain, let me know. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ayn.
Yes, Ain. So this is one of the first Ain. How does it look like? It looks like this one, the highlighted area, just the head of the Ain. Okay, let's go, Caesar. Let's go and find me another kind of Ain.
Ayn.
Yes, Ain. Now look at this one. This is the head down, the Ain that puts its head down, the sleepy head Ain. Okay, so it looks like a triangular, yeah, triangular head. Okay, that's good. Let's go, Ashley. Let's go find Ain. Oh, what's this?
Ein.
Yeah,
Ein.
yes, Ain. Ain is good. Ghain is the dot one. We just need the Ain
Oh,
for.
we're doing it. Okay.
You did good. Okay, let's go again. Ain. Okay, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Hey, this is not Ain. This is something different. This is something really small. Ain, head of the Ain is always connected. Okay, this is another letter. Okay, let's go. Ashley means let's go find Ain. Let's go find Ain. Okay, okay, let's go find Ain in this line. Ain. Now this is not Ain, this is something small. This is another letter. Let's go find Ain. How about this one?
Ein.
Yes, that's an Ain. Let's go, Ashley, one more time. Give me an Ain that is the sleepy head Ain. How about this one?
Ein. Yeah. Ein.
Yes, you are correct, mashallah. Yes. Okay, so those are all the different kind of ayn. Sometimes that's an ayn, that's an ayn, that's an ayn. Sometimes you will see a whole big ayn also. That's also what the ayn can do. Okay, so that was letter ayn. Can we see any letter ghain in here? Caesar, do you think there is a letter ghain? Letter ghain is very not that popular. Ayn is more popular.
Mm.
But I think there is no ghain, but I am going to show you one ghain. Okay, let me take out another scripture. Okay, so in this Quranic scripture, you should definitely find an ghain. How does the ghain hide? Help me, Caesar. The ghain hides like either with a sleepy head ayn, a triangular
Mhm.
head with a dot, or just this one. Let's go find it. Let's go, Caesar. When you find a ghain gargling and let me know.
Ayn.
Excellent. That's a ghain. Very good. One more ghain. This time find me the sleepy head ghain. Okay, let's go, Caesar. Let's go.
Ayn.
Excellent. Good job. So now we know this one looks like the ayn. Like this is ayn because of the dot. Ghain. This is ayn. This one is ghain. Okay. Ghain. Ayn. Ghain. Okay. MashaAllah. Good job. Okay.